In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add news to TradingView Charts. By the end, you'll have news events displayed directly on your price chart so you can quickly see where headlines align with market moves. First, open TradingView. You can use the website or the desktop app. Wait for the workspace to load so the chart area is visible. Now, open your chart. If you already have a chart layout, bring it up so the price candles are on screen and the toolbars are visible around the chart. Next, click the gear icon to open chart settings. You'll find the gear on the chart toolbar. Click it once to open the settings window. From here, go to the Events tab. In the settings window, look for the list of tabs and select Events. This section controls which event markers TradingView overlays on the chart. Now, enable News. In the Events tab, turn on the News option. This tells TradingView to place news markers on the timeline of your chart. You're only changing what's displayed. This won't affect your orders, drawings, or indicators, and you can turn it off at any time the same way. Once that's done, click OK. The settings window will close, and news icons will appear on the chart. You'll see small markers aligned with dates and times where news is available for the symbol you're viewing. That confirms that news is now enabled and added to your TradingView chart. At this point, the setup is complete. If you don't immediately see many icons, that's normal. The number of news markers depends on the symbol you're charting and the time period you're looking at. Some assets and time ranges have more headlines than others. As long as the news option is enabled and you clicked OK, the feature is active. The icons will show whenever relevant news items are available for the visible portion of your chart. To recap the steps on screen, you opened TradingView, opened your chart, clicked the gear icon for chart settings, went to the Events tab, enabled News, and clicked OK. The news icons now overlay your chart, making it easy to visually connect price action with headlines as you work. Your TradingView chart now has news added and displaying correctly. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.